So this is a project. The front end is made up using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React, and the backend is made up using FastAPI and Python. So in the landing page, you can upload the file. You can also download the sample data from here. It contains missing values and outliers and invalid data. So you can see that how the pre-processing is going on in our app. So you uploaded the data set, you continue. So you can select the templates from here. In the NSSO data, there are a lot of kind of data. We have divided the data on the basis of 6 to 7 categories. I have added here 4 categories, and in which the household template is working here. So we'll choose this, and it has 40 to 50 plus columns, which with we can do the schema mapping. Continue to schema mapping. And here are the data columns are mapped with the template columns, which with which we are also seeing the confidence score. If the confidence score is low, you can map by your own also manually. Okay. So next, continue to data validation. Here we will define some predefined rules. Here we have defined some rules like age should be greater than 0, less than 120, income should be greater than equal to 0. So we have defined these kind of rules. We can define according to the rows a lot of predefined data, the domain checks, statistical checks, and a lot of checks. And the user can also put some data here according to the columns if needed, and we can run the validation. Here you can see that there are some invalid data, like age should be less than 120, but there are 9 invalid counts, and the age income should be greater than 0. There are 12 invalid count. We will remove these invalid count. Then we will continue to exploratory data analysis. We will generate the EDA report. We'll get an we can download the HTML report also. We will view EDA report. Here you can see per column we have the full analysis like mean, median, standard deviation, and a lot of data. We can show visualizations also here. Um, and we can see that there are 26 rows left with 10 columns. Okay, there are categorical column analysis. Okay, get back to here. Now we will do missing value imputation. Here, for each column, we have recommended that which kind of which method you should use for this particular column. Our model, our ensemble classifier model will predict that. So here you can see that for Canon it should be 0.9. So you can choose this, and if you wanted to choose some different method, then you can choose also. Like I can choose mean here also, but it will be 0.6 confidence score. For education, you can choose any one, median. For occupation, it is showing you should choose KNN, but you can choose anywhere. Okay, now we can apply the imputation here. Next, we will, this is the outlier detection method. So there are for all the columns, you can detect the outliers according to the methods given. We can, in our main project, we can give a lot of methods according to the data. When we'll get the data, we will process them and then select that which kind of methods would be the most beneficial to add in our project. So for age, you can select like here it is recommended IQR. You can select isolation forest, and income you can select Z score, and expenditure you can score IQR anything. Then it will detect outliers and it will remove them. We can do capping also. We will add capping part also. Now we will come to the last page, AI powered report generation. In this, you can see that all the steps have completed. Now we can download the data in our CSV file, the process data, and we can generate AI report. Right now we have used a Gemini API key here, which is integrated in the backend. So it is generating. Okay, so our report is generated. We can download our PDF report. I can show you. So this is the PDF report we get. It contains the visualization for the columns, per column basis visualizations, the audit trail, whatever happened, AI generated summary, and the recommendation and recommendation for the next steps. So in this report, we will also add different kind of visualizations according to column for every column, and what are the steps we have done, EDA, and we will beautify this report, and a lot of things we will add. This is just a prototype, so we have just add the basic report here. So thank you so much.